First, coffee. It's not a coincidence we are the city of coffee. These are two of the most iconic coffee bars we have in the city.
Now, let's take a walk in the street of the old town. With the bus, we reach one of the highest points in Trieste, Monte Grisa. And what a view!
This is one of the most beautiful places we have, Miramar Castle, and the garden is free.
It starts to get hot. Much better. We're starving. Some good fish at a good price. That's what we need. The perfect spot to chill.
Villa Revoltella. Dinner, pizza or pasta? Both. Finally, the jewel of Trieste, Piazza Unità, the largest seaside square in Europe.
Right in front of it there is the perfect place to watch the sunset. Molo Audace.